I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew beside. All the niggas round me, die and they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, right at it die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I just caught a shorty off a Finsta. Just the one I'm really, it's a crenshaw. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things have started getting pissed off. Think we need to have a sun adventure. I could be a man, but maybe down the road. Right now, I would see my heart turn to chrome. Rather see my heart turn crystal. I can't even front like I don't miss you. Right now I'm just stuck inside the crib on my own. Soon as I free up, I'm about to pop up on your phone. Like I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, PT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, right at it die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. Two-turn baby girl, you know me.
Oh, that's a lot. There's a silver one. I think I'm gonna get me like a little ginger shot. I need something, cause yes. And I think I'm gonna get me another little green juice. I didn't get this one. I'm scared to drink that one. I don't have the big one. I think I'm just gonna get another one of these. Yeah. I just want some little champagne. A little cheap champagne. Give me two of them. Okay. Now just one more thing. Two more things. Two more things. They don't have them. Oh my god, I'm gonna cry. I don't think they have them. No. Literally, that's all I wanted. Wow. Well, okay. I just have to settle for these, but I have to get salsa for these. Okay. Oh. I need to check my blood pressure for real though. Or somebody else's. Let me erase this. Okay. And it's like a honey one. Yeah. Okay. I'll get those. These are cute and they're all on clearance. I think I'm gonna get those. Hey guys, I haven't been on camera all day. I definitely have a cold, so that sucks. I was supposed to go on a date tonight, but we just decided to maybe wait till tomorrow because I was like, let me see if I can start feeling better. But I definitely have a cold. And I was like, I understand if you don't want to hang out since I have a cold, but I think we're probably still gonna go We're gonna go bowling tomorrow, but I just stepped out to grab a few things at the grocery store, and I saw those Christmas decorations were on sale because I wanted to get some flowers, but they were all dead, and I was not gonna pay for that. And now I just need a tree. I need a something to cover the bottom of my tree. So, because I plan on putting my tree up tonight. I don't really know. I'm kind of sleepy. I'm kind of tired. I still have to meal prep a few things, and then I have to be at work at 7 tomorrow. So we'll see if all of this happens. But I'm at Dollar Tree. They close in 20 minutes. I was actually really shocked that they were even open this late, but we're gonna run in there. And I definitely lost my debit card. So I only have my digital cards, and I'm pretty sure they don't take Apple Pay. And I only have like $12 in cash. So first off, let's make sure they're open, and then let's see if we can find something for under $12. Look, this matches my pajamas. Look, that's pretty cool. Yeah. Okay guys, I'm back home. I am so tired, but I still have a lot to do, and I'm gonna do it. The first thing I'm gonna do is go ahead and meal prep my breakfast. So I'm gonna do my overnight oats because I'm gonna probably eat those tomorrow. And then what else? I'm gonna go ahead and prep my salad for lunch. That way I'm prepared, I'm ready, there's no excuses. And y'all, I know I said I was going vegetarian. I am with my meal preps, but I have been eating, you know, other things here and there. Oops. And then I got these. Here, let me show you. I got these just as a little snack, something to eat on if I get hungry tonight, since I still haven't technically cooked. But yeah, it's basically, put this back up. There it belongs. And then I just got these little ornaments. They were on clearance. Oops. They were on clearance. And then I don't know if the ornaments that I got from at home have hooks. So I saw these and I was like, okay, I need to grab these. Cough drops, yay. These I'll just throw out in the fridge. So yeah, I'll probably just show you guys how I make my overnight oats. I'm about to get all the ingredients out. It's very simple. So I'm about to clean up a little bit in here and then meal prep, and I'll film some of it, but I'm about to watch the newest episode of The Real Housewives of Potomac. Let me know down below if you guys are watching this season. The season is juicy. Juicy, juicy, juicy. So I'm really interested to see what's happening. I totally forgot it even came on, which I'm shocked because I love that show. So yeah, and I'm just hoping I start feeling better because like I don't feel terrible. Like I can definitely still function, but I can really feel something like coming on to my body. But I bought that ginger shot. I'm gonna take it in the morning and we're just gonna hope for the best. But if we have to reschedule the day, it's gonna be fine. But I actually want to go. I wanted to go tonight, but I was like, let's just wait and see, make sure I don't get worse because I don't want to get you sick. So, but yeah, girl, let's start this Housewives of Potomac.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me, still with the dogs that I grew beside, all the niggas round me, right and they die, gotta watch the time cause it's flying right by, I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, right at it, die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I just caught a shorty off a Finsta. Just the one really, it's a crenshaw. The way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things have started getting pissed off. think we need to have a sun adventure. I could be a man, but maybe down the road. Right now, I would rather see my heart turn to bone. Rather see my heart turn crystal. I can't even front like I'll miss you. Right now, I'm just stuck inside the crib on my own. Soon as I pick up, I'm about to pop up on your phone. Like I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, PT. Two-turn, baby girl, you know me. Who am I? All the niggas round me, ride or die. Gotta watch your time, cause it's flying right by. Two-turn, baby girl, you know me.
I'm outside in it.
Right outside, PT. Two-turn, baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, ride. Gotta watch your time, cause it's flying right by. Two-turn, baby girl, you know me. Yeah. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn, baby girl, you know me.